Hello everyone, welcome back to Steno Court. It's time for your daily dose of legal dictation. We are focusing on clarity and flow today. So, deep breathe, stay calm, and let's get into the matter. 3, 2, 1.
Start. It is apparent from the report that all these objections were dealt with, holding that there was no question of any malafide in the acquisition stop. It has also been held that the acquisition for the public purpose of planned housing development is very much a public purpose stop. The said acquisition has been justified on account of increase in the population and fast industrial development which required the availability of the houses for the persons of middle income group and lower income group and of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and backward class stop. The other objection raised was that the land was not suited for the public purpose since there was 16-year-old village abadi of about 1.5 acre and there was number of trees on 2.5 acre land stop. That question has also been dealt with in details, holding that the Mathura Vrindavan Development Authority would develop public park, school and playground on the acquired land stop. Even the objections raised by one Devendranath Bhargava have been considered in details by the land acquisition officer stop. We are quite convinced that all this could not have been possible unless the appellants were heard and their objections were considered in details. Stop. The learned senior counsel appearing for the appellants urged did not show the factum of hearing. Stop. We have seen the original report date on which date some of the objectors were also present. Stop. There are some missing page. Stop. However, it is specifically mentioned in the report that the objectors have been heard. Stop. In our opinion, once the original report suggests that the objectors were heard, there is no point in urging that the appellants were not heard. Stop. Sri Vikas Singh, learned senior counsel, appearing on behalf of Mathura Vrindavan Development Authority, within bracket, respondent number 3, relied on the decision in Jayabheri Properties Private Limited and others versus State of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Stop. The observations made in para 42 where this court had specifically held that the contention raised on behalf of the appellants about hearing not afforded to the objectors was refuted on the ground that the objections filed were duly considered by the special director and rejected by his order dated 27 July 2006. Stop. Over.